I'm tired. I need a coffee. I need some energy for my day. Oh, look, there is a cafe. It is called the Daily Grind. The cafe looks very clean and nice. I see people drinking coffee inside. I will go inside now. I hope the coffee is good. Let's open the door.
Hello, good morning. Welcome to our cafe.
Hello, good morning. Thank you.
How are you doing today?
I am doing very well. How are you?
I am great. Thank you for asking.
The weather is very nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it is a very beautiful and sunny day.
I like the sun. It makes me happy.
Me too. It is a perfect day for a coffee.
I agree. This shop is very busy today.
Yes, many people come here in the morning.
The smell of coffee in here is amazing.
Thank you. We use the best coffee beans.
That is good to hear. I love good coffee.
Are you ready to order your drink now?
Yes, I think I am ready now.
Great. Take your time and look at the menu.
Thank you. You're very helpful.
It is my pleasure. I am happy to help.
Okay, let's see what I want today. I want to order a coffee now.
Sure. What kind of coffee do you like?
I am not sure. What do you have?
We have hot coffee, iced coffee, and tea.
I think I want a hot drink today.
Do you like milk in your coffee?
Sometimes. But today I want it simple.
Would you like a black coffee then?
What exactly is a black coffee?
It is just coffee and water, no milk.
Oh, I see. That sounds very strong.
Yes, it is strong. It gives you energy.
Okay, I will try the black coffee.
That is a great choice. It is our best seller.
Do you make it fresh here?
Yes, we make every cup fresh for you.
That is perfect. I love fresh coffee.
Is that all for your order today?
Yes, just the one black coffee, please.
Excellent. Let's talk about the size next. We have three sizes: small, medium, and large.
Can I see the cups, please?
Of course, here is the small cup.
Oh, that is very little. It is tiny.
Yes, the small is for a quick drink.
And show me the large cup, please.
Here is the large. It is very big.
Wow, that is too much coffee for me.
Most people choose the medium size.
Is the medium in the middle?
Yes, it is not too big and not too small.
How many milliliters is the medium?
The medium is about 350 milliliters.
Okay, that sounds like a good amount.
So, one medium black coffee for you.
Yes, please. I will take the medium.
Do you want to drink it here or take it away?
I want to take it away. I'm going to work.
No problem. I will put it in a paper cup.
Thank you. That is very helpful.
Now, do you want anything inside the coffee?
I thought black coffee had nothing inside.
Usually, yes, but you can add milk if you want.
Maybe a little bit of milk is better.
We have regular milk and soy milk.
What is soy milk? Is it from cows?
No, soy milk is made from plants.
I will take regular milk, please.
Okay, cold milk or hot milk?
Cold milk is fine. Just a small splash.
Got it. And how about some sugar?
No, thank you. I do not like sugar.
Are you sure? It makes the coffee sweet.
I'm sure. I like the bitter taste.
I understand. Bitter coffee is very traditional.
Yes, sugar is not healthy for me.
That is true. Many people ask for no sugar.
Can I have a spoon to stir it?
I will stir it for you before I close the lid.
Thank you. You're very kind to do that.
Okay. That is one medium coffee with milk.
How much is the total price?
The total is exactly $4.
$4? Is tax included in that?
Yes, the tax is already in the price.
That is a very fair price for a cafe.
Thank you. How would you like to pay?
Do you accept cash? I have a $5 bill.
We accept cash, but we prefer cards today.
Oh, is the cash machine broken?
No, it is just faster to use a card.
Okay, I will use my credit card then.
Great. Please look at the screen on the machine.
It says please insert or tap card.
You can just tap it on the top.
Like this, I'm tapping it now.
Yes, it is processing.
Did the payment go through?
Yes, it is approved. Here is your receipt.
Thank you. I will keep the receipt.
Your coffee is ready now, Sarah. Please be careful. It is very hot.
Thank you. It smells very delicious.
Here are some napkins for your bag.
That is very helpful. You are so kind.
It is my pleasure. Enjoy your drink.
I will. Have a wonderful day at work.
Thank you. Have a great day, too.
Goodbye. See you again very soon.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow morning.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something new today. Now click on these two videos on the screen to keep improving your English. I'll see you there. Bye.